List of the items, also known as bill of material, includes all the components of a composite assembly using the part reference number, identified take quantity, part drawing number, technical data, and more. The relationship between the item list and its graphical representation of the drawing is given by the identification reference. The reference may be identified by a part reference or part document number, may be part of the drawing or as a separate document. The fields on the item list shown below are for general applications. The bill of material shall be arranged in table columns separated by continuous lines so that information can be entered under these headings. The bill of particulars shall include part reference, quantity, unit, reference designation, drawing document number, part name, technical data, designation, and notes. Some data fields may be omitted, but at least one identifying element is required, and the order of the columns up to you. Thank you for watching the video, see you on the next one, and if you like this, please give me subscribe to my channel, or you can comment what do you want to see more. Thank you and bye.